5 security tips for your business. Everyone wants to be secure, and when it comes to the security of the company, it should be one of the most important tasks. Having a sense of control and safety over your office, you can focus on other important things. Easy steps to make your office more secure. Prefer a keypad or card access. Being specifically programmed, this type of lock is an easy way to control entry that makes your doors highly secure. Use an intercom system for communication with customers and guests to allow them access to enter. Using cameras in every area that should be secured. Pay attention to this step and spend some money on surveillance cameras installation to keep an eye on the approach to doors. Adding an alarm system for security in office non-working hours. Think about the right lighting. Visibility is really important. Keeping doors illuminated makes the approach to the building more complicated for the potential intruders.